Welcome to Ashliee Tries. My name is Ashliee. This is TRYMAS edition. So in today's video, we are going to look under the tree to see what we can find. I'm excited for this one. I think we're going to find something good today. So let's get started. I'm back and look what I got. I found the perfect one. And let's see what's in it. Probably shouldn't do all that. But I think this one is going to be a good one. I hope it is. We have our pineapple tool right here. Put it together, assembled it. Now let's cut up in this pineapple. All you have to do is cut the top. Let's do that. So this is what it's looking like. All I have to do is line it up with the core. It's like hard. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. It's a little lopsided, but we got this going. And this pineapple ain't that good. It's not even much pressure you put it on it. You just keep it going. Maybe I shouldn't put my hand there. I don't know if it will cut through. But you just keep going and going and going and going. Like, this is like butter. Oh my goodness. This is making my little heart happy. I don't know. I love pineapples. Like, love them. But I don't like cutting them. Okay. I don't know how far, though. I think that. I don't know how to. Okay. It's stopping. That's enough force right there. So I guess that's it. And then, do I just take it out like this? How did I take it out? Let's look at instructions again. So, pull it out. And that's it. By the handle. So, this bad boy ain't getting released. I guess I gotta keep going. I don't know. Okay, well, I can't keep going. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, I am amazed. Look at this. Like, that is the shell right there. This is what it looks like on the bottom. This right here is something. Woo! I wasn't expecting that. Oh no! It's a mess. Okay, we got this. We got this. Okay. Now that part, no. That was a mess. All my pineapple just went all over the place. Okay, that's a big old mess. There's a lot of juice everywhere. That part, it's a mess. You keep that one. But the other part, the spiral part, okay, we got something with that one. Look at this. The juices is all over the place. I wouldn't do this one. Maybe, yeah, no, wouldn't do that one. This right here, bro, this was good. This was good. I was kind of skeptical about it, but it turned out really good. I really like this one. And it was just like butter, just twisting it. Didn't have to put any pressure, none of that. So at the end of this, I think I'll give this an 8 out of 10. That's my answer. Let me know what you guys think. Was this good or not? Okay. Bye-bye. See you guys in the next video. Toodaloo. I love pineapples. That one was sweet.